Alright guys, so we are here at the Pearl Hotel. We're at the Penthouse suite. We're going to do a tour with Mars, the manager. So let me ring the doorbell and he's going to open it up for us.
Hi,
Hey,
welcome
Mars.
to Pearl. My name is Mars.
Hey Mars, thanks for doing this tour. I'm looking forward to walking through here. We just got a chance to look at it. It's an amazing penthouse. So I'm looking forward to you sharing it with the people. So let's go ahead and do this.
Okay, sure. Let's start with the dining area. This is the dining area and this is locally made furnitures. Also, these cabinets here are locally made. It's made in Sierra Leone. And let's move here in the kitchen. So we have a full kitchen setup. You have a big fridge, the microwave, you have a washing machine and dryer, full setup of the kitchen. All the cutleries are here, pots and plates. It's in here. This penthouse, aside that it has a dining table, it has also a bar table.
And some bar stools too, I see.
Yes. And it has a
Big living room.
big living room. And a balcony also.
So how big is the balcony? Do you know how big it is? It's huge.
The balcony is about 18 square meters.
18 square meters. And, you know, as an American, I do square feet. So I think that's what 18 times 3, 20 times 3 is 60. So it's like 60 by 60, I guess. 60
Yes.
feet.
And the good thing in here, you have the Atlantic view. The view of the sea for the penthouse. So it looks like you have about 270 degrees view.
Yeah.
You have the view on that side, you have the view on the sea, and you have the view in here. Also, view on the swimming pool area.
Oh yeah, the courtyard and the swimming pool.
Yes. So this penthouse has a 2-bedroom apartment. So let's proceed to the master's bedroom first,
Okay, nice.
and the guest room.
Alright guys, thanks for watching that clip from the Authentic African YouTube channel. If you want to see the full video, click up here. If you want to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe by clicking this link right here. And if you want to see anything more from the channel, then you want to click down here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.